Hello everyone, my name is James William, and welcome to Go Natural English. In today's video, we will be discussing the process of creating an outline for your research paper. Many students often wonder whether making an outline is worth the effort. Wouldn't it be better to dive right into writing? However, taking the time to create a structured outline can significantly improve the flow and clarity of your paper. Think of an outline as a blueprint for a house. If you start constructing a house without a solid plan, you may find yourself making mistakes and having to redo parts of the structure. Similarly, an outline serves as a framework that helps organize your thoughts and ideas before you begin writing. This way, you can avoid unnecessary revisions and ensure your research paper is well structured from the beginning. One of my former teachers compared an outline to the skeleton of a body. The outline provides the structure, while the details, examples, and supporting evidence are like the flesh that brings it to life. Without a strong structure, your paper might lack coherence and clarity. By carefully planning your outline, you create a roadmap that makes the writing process smoother and more efficient. Understanding the structure of an outline. On the board, I have an example of how an outline is typically structured. The first step is to identify your thesis statement. Your thesis is the central argument or purpose of your paper. It answers the question, what are you writing about? What message or conclusion are you trying to convey? Once you have your thesis, you can begin structuring the main points of your paper. These main points, typically 3 for a standard research paper, will serve as the foundation of your argument. The length of your paper will determine how many main points you include. In a 6 to 8 page paper, 3 main points are usually sufficient. Each main point should be supported by subpoints, which provide additional details or arguments. These subpoints are labeled with capital letters A, B, C, and further supporting details are numbered 1, 2, 3. If necessary, you can expand these with even more detailed points using lowercase letters A, B, C. For example, if your research paper is about the benefits of online education, your outline might look like this. Introduction. Thesis statement: online education offers flexibility, affordability, and accessibility, making it an effective learning method. 2. Flexibility. The ability to learn at one's own pace. 1. Students can review lectures multiple times. 2. No fixed class schedules. B. Balancing education with work and personal life. 1. Suitable for working professionals. 2. Helps parents continue their education. 3. Affordability. Lower tuition costs. 1. Many free or low-cost courses available. B. No additional commuting expenses. 4. Accessibility. Available to students worldwide. B. Provides opportunities for students with disabilities. V. Conclusion. Summary of key points. Restate thesis and final thoughts. By following this format, you can ensure that your ideas are logically organized and easy to follow. Importance of supporting evidence. A well-structured research paper relies on strong supporting evidence. This evidence can come in various forms, including statistics, expert opinions, case studies, and real-life examples. It is crucial to cite your sources properly to give credit to the original authors and strengthen your arguments. Any fact that is not common knowledge should be cited appropriately. If you are unsure how to cite sources, you can refer to my other videos for detailed guidance on proper citation methods. 2 types of outlines. There are 2 main approaches to writing an outline. Topic outline uses short phrases or keywords to represent main ideas. Sentence outline uses complete sentences to elaborate on each point. A topic outline might include brief points such as benefits of online learning, while a sentence outline might state, online learning provides flexibility, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Writing in complete sentences can be beneficial because it helps you transition smoothly into writing the full paper later. Visualizing your outline. Another way to visualize an outline is to think of it as a tree. The main points act as the tree's branches, while the subpoints are the smaller branches and leaves. Each idea must connect logically to the one before it, ensuring a smooth flow of information. The placement of information within your outline should reflect its significance, with the most important points appearing higher and supporting details appearing lower. Final thoughts. Before you start writing, invest time in crafting a solid outline. This preliminary step will save you time in the long run by preventing unnecessary rewrites and ensuring that your paper is well organized. An outline provides a clear path, guiding you from the introduction to the conclusion while maintaining a logical flow of ideas. Think of it as the foundation of your research paper. Without it, your ideas may become scattered, making your argument less effective. Thank you for watching today's video on research paper outlines. I hope this lesson has provided you with a clear understanding of how to structure your paper effectively. Stay tuned for more academic writing tips, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.